Maybe you guys saying I need a bigger pot. I think I need a bigger stomach.
Hello guys, I gotta to ask my dad a question. What if we get find a turkey at the farm and you bring it home and you try to cut it? Dad, why are you using the bowl? I'm learning how to cook. My dad is showing me how to make the turkey neck and the steak.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Greens Family Lifestyle TV. And in today's video guys, we have an authentic Jamaican soup that we're gonna be making today, and that's the red peas Jamaican soup guys. So stay tuned while I have the turkey neck, as you could see, and my beef cleaned and cut up. So stay tuned guys. Alright guys, here I have my vinegar. I'm getting quarter cup of the vinegar. So then I'm gonna add some water straight from the sink. And then I'll literally let that sit for 2 minutes guys. Then I'll go ahead with my cleaning. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead with the cleaning process. And this is how you normally clean your turkey neck guys. This is the smoke turkey neck, and the reason why I'm using the smoked turkey neck guys, to give it a flavor. So you literally remove the skin just like that guys. So there you have it, and then that's the clean product. So stay tuned guys while I finish cleaning them. Alright guys, I'm on my third piece. As you see, it's the same process of removing the fat. So for these, you just have your knife pierce between the skin and the meat. Because that's a smoke part guys. So you just go ahead with the knife just to remove the extra pieces. So stay tuned. You know who is recorded today? I have my 6-year-old behind the camera. Binky, you want to tell them something?
I'm learning how to cook. My dad is showing me how to make the turkey neck and the steak.
Alright, that's Binky. Press the pause.
How do you chop off? How do you chop the turkey neck, or it's just chopped like that?
Yeah, it come from the store cut, or if not, you could use the cleaver, which is the big cutter, the big knife, to cut it in two.
Okay.
Alright guys, I'm removing the fat from the beef guys. As you can see, it's right here guys. So I'm just getting rid of it. I finished with my turkey neck already. So as you know, I'm gonna need this bone guys. I'm gonna use it for stock, and that flavor the soup. So I have another one right here, which I'm gonna go ahead and remove. And guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, as you see, that's the fat right there. You don't need this guys, you just want to have them removed.
Dad, why are you using the bones?
The bones, they flavor the soup. They call it stock because in the middle of the bone they have that soft, gushy meat. It gives the soup flavor because I'm making red peas soup. Have you ever had the beef before?
No.
Alright, you're gonna have it tonight, so I'm gonna make it. Alright guys, as you see, already have all of it cleaned up, cut up. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the peas to the water, guys. Alright guys, I'm getting my red peas in the bowl. I'm gonna use 1.5 of red peas, guys, because I'm gonna have it washed. And that's the reason for washing, guys, so stay tuned. Stay tuned. That's the reason for washing. Now I have my peas cleaned and washed, guys. I'm gonna add it to the pot so it could cook. Alright guys, here goes. I'm adding my peas to the boiling water. And now I'm gonna add my salt, guys. I'm adding 2 tablespoons because remember, we're making soup, guys. Alright guys, now I'm adding my garlic. It is 7 pegs of garlic, guys. So as soon as I add my garlic, guys, I'm gonna get in my turkey neck. I just leave them those size, guys, because that's the size that I prefer. Now I'm gonna get in my beef. This is gonna be one healthy meal, guys, and this is a high protein meal, guys. Guys, this is rich in protein with the coconut milk. That's a favorite for Jamaicans on a Saturday when you on the going out. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm gonna let that cook, guys. Peas, rich red pea soup, guys. My son have a questions for you guys.
Hello guys, I gotta ask my dad a question. What if you like find a turkey at the farm and you like bring it home and you like try to cut it?
Yeah, then you have to put it in the sink and cut the head off and clean it up and put it in the fridge. Alright guys, that's a question from my son. I answer him. If you guys have any other answer, leave it in the comment box, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, here I have my natural seasoning, which I'm gonna clean, wash, and cut up. So I have my onion, my green pepper, 2 stalks scallion. Alright guys, as you can see, I already have my natural vegetables cut up clean. So now I'm gonna have them washed, guys. I'm gonna have them washed. I'm just washing them, guys, so I could have them cut. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, now I have my sweet pepper. I'm gonna go ahead and give them some. I want to mince them, guys, you know, because I don't want them to be showing in the soup. So I'm gonna mince them. And then once I get it like that, guys, just, you know, just follow through. That says perfect mince, guys. You get the other one. I ain't gonna cut the carrots too little, guys, because I want it to be able to be visible in the soup. So for this big one, I'll just cut it like this. And then I'm gonna chop them, guys. I did go ahead and cut some extra garlic, guys. So you know we're dealing with the beef. And now for the onion. For the onion, I'm gonna take about 5 slices. So that should be good, guys. Cutting my scallion. Guys, you have to make sure you know how to season that red peas. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Alright guys, you see that it's bubbling, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my natural seasoning, guys, because I want all these to be boiled out except for the carrots, guys. You already know that. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a stir. Alright guys, so I'm gonna let that cook for the next 45 minutes, guys. I'm gonna add some rosemary, guys, but remember we are cooking the beef. Alright guys, you know we have to add the thyme. So we're gonna go ahead with the thyme. And the best time for the pepper, guys, so stay tuned. Alright guys, checking the progress of the meat. As you can see, the turkey neck and the beef, they're halfway cooked. As you can see, the pepper is not all the way boiled out, and the carrots. So now it's time for my seasoning, guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead with my seasoning for the soup. So I'm gonna add a tablespoon of Maggi. And remember guys, I haven't seasoned the meat, so I have to make sure it's seasoned. That's not a lot of Maggi. So now I have my oxtail season, being that I have the beef. And they have beef bouillon, guys. So you guys could go ahead and purchase it. I'm using a tablespoon and a half. And then I'm gonna go with a splash of salt. So that should be good, guys. So stay tuned while I get it in the soup. Alright guys, now I'm gonna go ahead with my seasoning. And then you just want to give it that stir, guys. As you can see the richness of it, guys. Right there. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and have my dumpling made so I could have it placed in the pot. Alright guys, I already have the mixture for my dumpling. I already had the salt and a little pinch of cornmeal. I'm gonna go ahead and make the dough and place it in the pot. So you'll see when I'm doing that, guys. Alright guys, I'm just making the dough. As you can see, already add my water. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm adding my dumplings now, which I already start adding them already, guys. And guys, I'm making extra dumplings for this soup. I know maybe you guys saying I need a bigger pot. I think I need a bigger stomach. And I'm gonna do some spinners too, guys, because remember I already show you guys already in the video how to do the spinners. That soup is looking rich, guys. Today is the last day for winter, so you know what time is it, guys. You're gonna start getting a lot of outdoors cooking. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm mixing in the dumpling. And then I'm gonna make that cook. And then you know what's next, guys, so stay tuned. I'm gonna give it the next 10 minutes. Alright guys, look at that beautiful rich soup, guys. You can see it. So I go ahead and have my coconut milk. And then you want to give that a stir, guys. So rich, delicious, authentic red pea soup, guys. You see that? Alright guys, so I'm gonna let the coconut milk cook. You see the richness, guys? I'm gonna have that cooking, guys, so stay tuned. Alright guys, I did go ahead and have my banana, potato, and my corn and my white yam cut up and peeled, so I'm gonna add it to the soup, guys. You see the richness of the soup, guys? Ooh, the only thing is missing right now is a spoon, so I'm just adding my ground provision, guys. As you can see, I just need a little bit of water. I know some of you be like, oh, the pot is too small. Guys, I made soup in this pot for decades. Alright guys, alright guys, so I'm gonna let this cook, guys, and I'll see you when it's finished and when I'm portioning it out, guys, and I'm getting it plated. Looking lovely rich soup, guys, that red peas. And do remember to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, there you have it. That's the rich red peas and beef soup, guys. As you can see it, I have the carrots not being smushed out because I chopped them, guys. So, and then I have the turkey neck. So I'm gonna go in and give it a taste, guys. First I want to get the turkey neck. As you can see, guys, it's easily ripped from the bone. And then I need some of that soup. As you can see, we have the rosemary, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead with the taste test. That's one rich soup, guys. Guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Rich, authentic red peas beef soup, guys. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. This taste is amazing. See the richness, guys? The turkey neck is well cooked. The coconut milk is whew. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my meal, guys. I'm gonna leave a link in the description of the recipe, and please do remember to like, share, and subscribe, and do click the notification bell so you guys could be notified each time I do a video. Peace out.